Hey, you guys, it's Ali. I made this amazing plant-based burger the other day, so I want to show you guys exactly what's in it. Okay, so we're gonna start off by boiling some oats, and I added in papaya seeds, you guys. This is a view of everything that is going to go in this burger, but I'll list it in the description. We got some black beans, some mote, red onion, garlic, basil, chives, and cilantro. Blend that all up. Add in the cooked oatmeal, the quinoa. Add in some picante chimichurri and some other seasonings. Make some patties, stick it in the freezer. You guys know I can't go without my kale slaw, so here's another version of that with everything in it. I added in some chilies, some chives, some garlic. Blend that all together. Throw in some apple cider vinegar and some homemade simple syrup. Stick that in the fridge. Pull those burgers out. They should be a little bit more solidified from the freezer, and we're going to pan fry those in coconut butter. Toss those over, and I kind of flatten them out because then they'll cook a little bit easier. You guys know how plant-based stuff does. While I'm doing that, I'm going to have a little bit of this drink. Y'all know I like lemon beer. So we're going to take some good loaf of bread. I don't eat bread very often. Top it off with some coconut butter. I also have a vegan cheese that I spread on. Put the kale slaw with some avocado. Top it off with a finished burger. A little bit more of that picante chimichurri, and bam, you have it. And on the side is some patacones, which is like tostones. And oh my God, this burger was amazing.